can't see it real well from here, from where you're at, but there's a screw down in here to take out. Screw number 1. And then this front piece comes right off. Once you have that off, see the bracket. It's going to go around the top of the engine guard, and then in the accessory pack there's another set of bracket for the bottom. So okay, as you can see, I kind of got things roughed in here. Nothing's tightened down. Did find something I really didn't like on the fence. It's not a showstopper. Let me rephrase that. You'll notice up here though, there was no rubber gasket for the clamp like there was down here to keep metal from metal. So I went ahead and I found some rubber to put behind it, and I put some electrical tape. Hopefully that'll hold up for a little bit on the front. So I got no metal to metal. And we'll see how that works out. Right now I am working on getting my highway pegs adjusted, because that may very well decide how my final fit for my fairing's going to work out. So now I've got a pretty good fit of my highway peg. We'll go ahead and start tightening this down. See what type of space and room it gives me. Well, that's going to give me even more room. Good. I will admit, this would have been much easier with a motorcycle stand. But a year ago, I thought I was done motorcycling, or almost a year and a half ago. And I sold my Harley and sold everything that went along with it. And I just had a floor stand. It was nothing fancy, but it would have made it a lot easier to get to this next bolt. Oh shoot. I think we're going to have to loosen that up and pull it around just a little bit. We're rubbing on the frame right there. Yep. of the things you'll notice here is I'm actually putting this on technically backwards. That part is fancy, supposed to be showing, but because I want to be able to get at the bolt to tighten them as needed without having to take off the lower fairing, I'm not going as recommended. We'll just put it that way. So there we go. All done, not too bad. Would have been much easier if I had a lift still of some sort, but we made it work. It's been Mike with M&N Adventures, and we'll see you out there. Bye-bye.